So we're going to have a Willie Nelson song you usually don't get to hear while John's recuperating. And I'm a Willie Nelson impersonator, so I'm going to try to do this for you. It's an old, actually, this song was not written by Willie Nelson, although I always thought it was. It's written by a guy named Fred Rose, I believe, sang Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. When the twilight glow, I see her, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again. Through the ages, I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain. I'll play it pretty. My sister Bobby Nelson on guitar. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again. And through the ages, I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain. I'll play it pretty one more time. We'll stroll hand in hand again. Through the ages, I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Oh, thank you so much, thank you.
Got a big hand for Willie Nelson.